Joining us is market watcher Dory Wiley. All right, Dory, you say the economy is strong. There's no reason why this market can't go higher, right?
I agree with that. Good morning.
Good morning. So I would argue, though, that perhaps the market's a little headline-driven right now, which speaks to volatility. We get some kumbaya moment out of the Koreas, perhaps some pushback on the president's plans to put in tariffs on aluminum and steel. Now he's getting pushback from his own party. Is that playing into this movement higher in the markets right now?
Yes, it is. I think what we're finding is coming out of February, we had the bears had taken over, volatility had re-entered the market. But it's good to see some of that because it creates buying points. You know, a lot of people like to buy on bad news. I'd rather buy on fear. And there's been a lot of fear that showed up that wasn't warranted. The economy's strong, unemployment's low, the market looks good. The president's doing everything he said he would do. I wouldn't bet against him, and yet, for some reason, the Beltway Republicans seem to be scared about entering and starting a trade war that we've already been in for 30 years. So I wouldn't bet against Trump on the trade war, and I think it creates buying points.
All right, well, a couple of big retail names to tell you about. Higher sales at Target, but profit falling short in the holiday quarter. And the Nordstrom family's $8 billion buyout offer was rejected by a special committee of the board. Dory, start with Target. Victim of the retail ice age still, do you think?
Yes, I think people are still trying to struggle on the big box retail side with how to compete online, obviously.
Yeah.
You know, Target's margins off a little bit, holiday sales, as you said, disappointed. And overall sales are, you know, there's just not a lot of growth. So where is it going to come from? What are they going to do? How are they going to improve the customer experience? It's going to be difficult for them. So they've got to work on that. With Nordstrom's, you know, they've got a nice niche, but now the numbers are sort of off the table. You're in a game, does a family want to buy them out or not? And you got to think with the rejected $50 offer that they're going to come back with a higher price.
Yeah, you'd think. We'll see. But thank you so much for joining us this morning, Dory Wiley. Well, hopefully you're all right. Maybe the markets will want to move higher. Is it the only game in town? Maybe. Thank you very much, Dory. Appreciate it.